Sino-shopping ni Nexus. Oh, what's that? Hoy, Nexus, you keep buying stuff. You don't naman... What's that? Oh, uses cooking cream.
Oh, cottage cheese.
You're getting cottage cheese? Here, oh, you can put it down here, oh.
Thank goodness we have a lot of money. Okay, I'm hungry.
Nexus? You're not supposed to drink that. No, 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 don't open.
No, no, no.
Nexus! What are you buying? What's that? Hmm? Amo! Because of the cow. Okay. Okay, one cheese. Yay. What else? Hey, one more? What is this even? Yogurt drink. Okay, sige, push your cart. Oh, what else do you want to buy? Oh, no, 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 no. Heavy. No, you might break that. Banana? Because where's that? Ay!
Get that. Achi,
thank you, daw. Here's your card.
Where's the laughing song?
The small one, yung parang
You're
triangle.
laughing song.
Want some more? Ay! What? Nexus, that's not the same as the one you eat. Yogurt bites.